Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel Robinhood Gold. First, open your Robinhood app and tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. Next, select Menu or the three horizontal lines, then find and tap Investing. Here, you'll see your Robinhood Gold details. It's important to understand what features you'll lose, like instant deposits over $1,000 or professional research. Make sure you're ready for these changes before proceeding. Once you're in the investing section, scroll down until you see the Robinhood Gold banner or section. Tap on this to access your Gold membership details. You'll see information about your monthly fee and the benefits you're currently enjoying. Look for an option that says Manage Gold or Cancel Gold. This is where you'll initiate the process to discontinue your subscription. Take a moment to review everything before moving forward. After selecting Manage Gold or Cancel Gold, you'll likely be presented with a confirmation screen. Robinhood might ask you to confirm your decision one or two more times, perhaps highlighting the benefits you're giving up. Read these prompts carefully and proceed by tapping Confirm Cancellation or a similar button. You might receive an email confirmation shortly after. Keep an eye out for that to ensure your cancellation is complete. After canceling, your Gold benefits will typically remain active until the end of your current billing period. You won't be charged again for the next cycle. Remember, you can always resubscribe to Robinhood Gold in the future if your investment needs change. It's a flexible service. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book on wealth building, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.